Hey YouTubers, it's Clara here, and today on Clara Marie Vlogs I'm showing you guys how to make DIY fall harvest dessert tacos. What you're going to need are these waffle cone bowls. You're going to wet them, and not too much because you don't want them to be soggy and whatnot. So you're going to microwave it in the microwave for about 20 seconds, depending on how fast your microwave is. So once you've done that, you're going to put it in these cupcake pan mold things, and voila, you have a little taco shell. Waffle cone taco shell, technically. So for this, you're going to take some pumpkin ice cream, put it into a piping bag, or if you don't have a piping bag, you can use a Ziploc bag and snip the tip at one of the corners. It's already dripping. So you don't want it to be hard, you want it to be soft, so give it time to get to room temperature, but not too much. You're gonna squirt the ice cream into the taco shell. You don't want to overstuff it, you want to be generous with it. And then you're gonna take some apples, which I've sauteed in butter, a little bit of butter, some maple syrup and apple pie spice, which this is what inspired me from Pinterest. You're going to put that on top of your ice cream. A little bit of whipped cream. This toppings are optional. A little bit of pecans chopped. And a little bit of granola. And ta-da! You have a fall harvest dessert taco. Let's give it a taste, shall we? Very good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be informed about new videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.